Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, we are going to start our page number 20. I hope you're done with your reading of the red rubber ball. Let's start our comprehension. Open up your books, page number 20. A part. As you're done with your reading, so this part will be very easy for you. You have to match each game rule to a game. Pause this video and solve this exercise by yourself. I have solved this exercise for you as well. As you can see that on the left hand side there are certain game rules and on right hand side there are games, names of the games. You have to match the game rules with the game. Each player tries to line up 5 stones. The name of the game is Omok. One player has to jump over a stone. The name of the game is Latonkana. The player in the middle is the snake. The name of the game is Daga. Now, part B. What is the main idea of the red rubber ball? I have solved out this exercise for you already. Let us read out our options. How to play Daga. Carlos kicks the ball high in the sky, and kids all over the world likes to play games. As you can see that I've already checked on kids all over the world likes to play games because this is the main idea of the red rubber ball. Part C. Words in context. As we are already done with the meanings of the words in context, now you have to pick up the right word for the words in context from the following options. Pause this video and solve this exercise. I have solved this exercise for you as well. Let us match our answers. A boa constrictor is a dash. Person, snake, or a bird? You're right, it's a snake. When you toss a ball, you dash. Roll it, hold it, or throw it? You're right, it's throw it. After you jump up, you must land on dash. The water, the ground, the ball. You're right, the ground. When you keep your balance, you usually dash, stand straight, fall down, or lie down. You're right, it stands straight. Now what you have to do is you have to learn the meanings of vocabulary words. That's all